In this video, I want to show you a quick demonstration of an add-on called Select Default Product. Now, out of the box, ClickFunnels will automatically select the first product in your list of products in the product selector, and that may or may not be what you want. And so we'll show you what that looks like here. If we go to click this page and we click go to step 2, we'll notice the first product selected here, or the first product in the list, is the one that's selected by default. But let's say this $37 price, the second one, is actually the one we want to be selected because, hey, guess what? It's $10 more. It's going to give us a higher average cart value if that's the one people select more often. So we might want to have that one be selected by default, but we don't necessarily want to delete the first product and then recreate product 2 as the first product and then recreate product 1 as the next product. We just want to change which one is selected by default without having to go through a bunch of rigmarole to get the products in the order that we want them to be in. So we can do that by using the Select Default Product add-on. So I'm actually going to bounce into my CF Pro Tools account here, and I've got this add-on already configured. I'm just going to enable it, and I've already got it installed on this page. So now if we just refresh this page, we're going to reload here, and we're going to go back in. It's going to load up this page. We'll give it just a second to load, and then I'm going to go ahead and click go to step 2 now, and now we can see that that test product 2 is the one that's selected, and now our order is a $37 order instead of a $27 order. So it's going to help us to increase our average cart value. And I tell you what, this works great when you're using the bestseller highlight as well, where if you can highlight that second product with the yellow box around it to also be the one that's highlighted, as well as that's the one that's selected by default. So those two work great in combination together, but that's the Select Default Product add-on, and I hope you like it. I hope you put it to good use.